Now बच्चे, what services are provided by a wholesaler towards retailers? Towards retailers, a wholesaler helps the retailers in many ways. The following are the services rendered to the retailers. First is बच्चे easy supply of goods. A retailer does not need to stock more. He can get the things in small quantities according to his need. So he needs less space and capital. He needs less space and capital because there is easy supply of goods by the wholesaler. Then बच्चे financial help. A wholesaler generally sells goods to the retailer on credit, and the retailers pay off the price of the goods after they have been sold. After selling the product they are giving. In this way they need little capital. So capital is required less and easy supply of goods. Consultancy services. A wholesaler comes in contact with many good traders and other mediators, and he gains a lot of experience. The benefit of his experience is shared by the retailer also. On the basis of his experience, he gives advice to the retailers regarding advertisement, art of selling, quality control, etc. So he is in touch with a lot of people, so his experience can be shared with the retailers. Reasonable price. Prices are stabilized by creating a balance between demand and supply. This work can be done by a wholesaler. This work, because they are stabilizing. So in this way a wholesaler makes things available at proper prices. They are not charging high. Okay. Then bache, benefit of advertisement. The wholesaler are well off people and they advertise things on a large scale. In this way, a demand is created in the market. The retailer gets its benefit without any additional effort. As the wholesaler is indulged into advertisement of the products, so producer is also taking advantage of that and retailer is also taking advantage of that because people are already aware about the product. Information about new products. Producer produce different new kinds of things from time to time. A wholesaler is the first to get the information about this. From producer side, he will get information first, then he passes on this information to the retailer. Consequently, there is an additional knowledge about various new products on the part of retailer. So various type of new information wholesaler will collect from the producer and he will pass it on to the retailer. Then बचे packing facility. After purchasing goods, the wholesaler performs the job of grading and packaging. Therefore, the retailer are saved of the trouble of separating things, filling them in containers and packing them. This is done by the wholesaler. So these are the which services provided by a wholesaler towards retailer. Easy supply of goods, financial help in the form of credit, consultancy services because he is having a lot of experience, reasonable prices, he is adding less profits and stabilizing the prices, benefit of advertisement, then which information about the new product and packing facility. This all is done by a wholesaler for the retailer. Then last topic which is services of a wholesaler towards society. What a wholesaler is doing for the society. First, which is control on market fluctuations. He is creating a balance between demand and supply, and in this way, he is controlling the fluctuations in the market. A wholesaler controls huge fluctuations in the market by stocking goods. Therefore, the prices remain under control. This directly benefits the consumers. Prices are under control and this directly helps the consumer. Then bache, easy availability of goods. The presence of wholesaler makes it easy for a retailer to get the goods according to the taste of consumer at any time. Consequently, all the things are readily available to the consumers. In the absence of the wholesaler, the retailer cannot perform this job easily. So, selection facility. A wholesaler collects things from various producers at one place. This helps the retailer and the consumer in making their choices easily. Benefit of advertisement. Advertisement made by the wholesaler benefit the retailer as well as the consumer. With the help of advertisement, people get information about various things. So how would you come to know that how many toothpaste are there available in the market? Only with the help of advertisement. You saw in the daily national channels on your television that there are a lot of toothpaste available in the market. So, removal of consumer complaints. Consumers can have some complaints about the quality, size of the things. The information about this is collected by the wholesaler through the retailer and passed on to the producer. Every complaint of the consumer will go to retailer, then to wholesaler, then to the producer. Then last is which a possibility of large scale production. A wholesaler first of all increases the demand of the things and then places big orders with the producers. Therefore, the scale of production starts rising. With the rising scale of production, the cost of production per unit decreases in the long run. It benefits the consumer also. They are creating balance between the demand and supply, and they are helping in advertisement. So a lot of big orders are there. So large scale production will always help to cut the cost because fixed cost will remain same, only variable cost will change. In this way, they are making possible the large scale productions and we can get benefit from economy of large scale production. Any doubt, bache?